Hello everybody. In this video, I will discuss two ideas that there was reminders with myself this week, and also one of them was a discussion with a client this week, and really start building his wealth and also repaying his debt in the same time. So the very first idea would be a financial idea. The second idea would be a mindset or a philosophical idea that was also a reminder to myself. Very first idea, the financial side. Me and this client actually sat down a month ago, and we discussed his kind of current situation in his business, and I explored a few ideas, and then the one idea I gave him was to he already at this stage give a lot of referrals to other people from his business, and I told him you can start generating referral commission from these people that you're already supporting on a weekly or on a monthly basis, but now you can also earn income from them. Go arrange with them, go discuss it with them how you can do a referral arrangement agreement between each other. And he went back to them, and then after this week we actually had a discussion again, the two of us, and now we're receiving referral commissions that they also already started receiving because of our conversation, and kind of just having that new mindset of idea in his head of how to generate that income. So now these extra income that you receive, he can start putting into potential debt that he need to repay. So the two things that he really want to start repaying is his hire purchase on his vehicle and his bond on his personal house. That's the two things that he really want to do and repay. And obviously doing that, start creating wealth for himself and also lowering his own debt. So what I told him was keep on obviously repaying, doing the installment on the vehicle every month, and then open for yourself a second bank account, which you call a tax account, something like that. You can call it your tax account. Then every week, as you receive your referral commissions from these various places, take 25% of that amount, that same day that you receive it, and you put it into your tax pocket bank account. And the 75% automatically same day you transfer to the hire purchase. So now you start making these additional, even though it might be small, but additional income payments to your hire purchase, and you make provision for your 25% tax already in a separate account, so you don't touch that. So everything you put into a hire purchase is already after tax money. So, and probably within a year he will be able to repay that hire purchase. So now the next opportunity opens up where he can take that monthly installment that he used to pay on his hire purchase, and he can allocate that with a stop order himself to his home loan every single month, and still take that 75% portion of the referral commissions that he receive every month or every week, and they also put that into his bond account, and still take the 25% and put it in your tax account. So you still take after tax money and you put it into your tax account, and obviously the after tax money put into your bond account. By doing this, he will speed up his home loan from 20 to 30 years to potentially very easily to 10 years, even more, even quicker if he depends on, obviously depending on the referral commission that he receives. And this idea always reminds me of my mom that used to have these envelopes in her safe. Every month she would have the envelope for electricity, envelope for telephone and groceries and all kinds of things, and make sure there's a provision for each and everything every month, and then the rest would be whatever that need to be. But first made a provision for yourself. So in this case, you really pay yourself first, and you create these envelopes or pockets that's separate, and you create a place where you can park tax accounts and you can park after tax money as quickly as possible. It's out of your reach, because if it stays in your bank account, you will definitely spend it. So make sure that you get it out of your system And if it's out of system, out of sight, you won't spend it. And when you lock it into something like your home loan or a hire purchase or any other debt that you might have, you will quickly repay that debt and get rid of that and free up that monthly repayment that you can potentially use for something else. The second idea is more a mindset philosophical idea that I reminded myself this week. And the very first thing is, every time I judge you, if I judge someone, I reveal something I need to heal inside of myself, something that I'm afraid of, something I fear. So every time I judge you, I reveal something that I really fear inside of me, not with you. You're just the obstacle that I judge because I'm afraid of something. I need to heal something inside of me. And the second thing it would be blame. If I blame you, I don't take absolute personal responsibility for my part in that situation. So blame, judgment is all a trigger for myself to grow. Something is all the opportunity for me to say, I need to work on something that I need to heal, something that I need to take responsibility for, and stop worrying about things that other people are doing and how they create their life, how they live their lives. But because everything that I blame about, everything that I judge you about is all about me and not about you. I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll speak to you next week. Bye bye.